I'm going to be making French toast for tonight's Brinner. I'm pretty confident in my abilities of French toasting. It's pretty easy, very, very simple recipe.
What do you need?
You need some bread, some milk, some eggs, and occasionally some seasoning, cinnamon and vanilla bean. Step 1, you want to crack your eggs into a mug, and then you want to get a fork out. You're going to stick the fork in there and just wiggle it around until it's mostly yellow. So, egg number 1, number dose. Egg 4 electric boogaloo. But still no shell. You want to get a fork and you want to squish the yolks against the sides. You start mixing it together. So it should start looking like this, kind of yellowy-ish. So if you find any orange bits, that's probably leftover yolk, and you might want to just see if you can squish that. Make sure that there's no yolk there. Bowl. Pro tip, if there is still some yolk in there, you can just squish it once it's in the bowl. Cinnamon. No, not my cinnamon, my vanilla. Just taste a few drops. I just put it in the lid. Then you add the cinnamon as well. You gotta whisk it all in. You gotta make sure it all gets in there. And it's nice and even and spread out. Boom, look at that. Now I have 3 perfectly sliced pieces of bread that I prepared earlier. A layer of butter all over the pan.
Action.
Now what you want to do is you want to take your nice hearty slab of bread, and you just want to kind of dip it in and like face down like that. And then you want to grab the end, and you want to just pull it out like that. And you want to put it in this end, dip it down a little bit, and pull it in like that until it's going to get really soggy and really fragile. So you got to be really careful. This one only took 1 flip. It might take more than that, depends on what type of bread you're using. So you want to take this, just slap it down on there. Now French toast takes a while because you can only put 1 or 2 pieces on at a time, but it is definitely worth it. And it's bubbling around the edges. May or may not have forgotten what that is. You want to leave it there for a little bit, and then you want to check underneath it with your egg flip, and you want to just flip it over if it's ready, and leave it for an extra minute or so if it's not. No. Yeah, let's check. Grab corner underneath. Yeah, that looks pretty good. It looks beautiful and brown. It's okay if it's a little brown. It still has the same texture. It still has the same taste and everything, as long as it's not burnt brown. But if it's just a little bit brown like this, that's still fine. It might make it a little bit more crispy, but yeah, you want it to be crispy on the outside, like a potato, crispy on the outside, but soft and gooey on the inside.
Gooey on the inside.
Not necessarily gooey, that's a bad choice of words. You can kind of smell when it's ready as well. There you go, that should be good. French toast looks pretty good to me. I'm pretty happy with that. Pro tip, the mixture that you make it with, this one, can also be used to make scrambled eggs. You just pour that in. That is pretty difficult though, because you got to keep it constantly moving with your egg flip or spatula. Yeah, it's pretty good. You can add like maple syrup to it and stuff. It's always a bit of fun.